If you've been struggling trying to find YouTube video topics that are currently trending on YouTube, you've made it to the right video. My name is Eddie, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find trending topics on YouTube. So first of all, why can I talk about this? Well, number one, I've been lucky enough to get over 54,000 views in less than 90 days using the same methods that I'm about to teach you. And some of them are going to be really tactical, and some of them are just going to be really simple. I know that this can be overwhelming, especially if you're a brand new YouTube channel and you're trying to figure out what works. You want to model and find trending topics. So let's jump into lesson number one. Okay, so lesson number one is pretty simple. It's going to be using the YouTube trending feed. This is going to be a simple way to find out what's currently popping off on YouTube. All you need to do is just go to your YouTube channel. On the left side of your homepage, you're going to see a section called trending. Now here, you're going to just want to go through the topics that are currently trending on YouTube, but you can see from the tab we have the now section, music, we have gaming, and we also have movies. Depending whether you're like a documentary channel, a music channel, or if you do like reactions, this is a perfect opportunity for you to find something that you could make a video topic on and go from there. But just scroll down here, see what's currently trending on YouTube Shorts, look at what's on the first section here on YouTube, and see how you can kind of recreate something. Or if you're a reaction channel, you can make a video on something specific here that's currently trending. All right, next up on our list is going to be using a YouTube tool called oneof10.com. Now, this is my favorite way to find video outliers. So essentially video that are going viral on someone's channel, or they get higher view count than what they usually get on their videos. So one of 10 is super powerful because you can also use the filtering, which we can do. The publication date can be up to 1 month to up to 3 months or even 6 months. This is a great way to find trending topics with actual data and metrics. So let's jump into one of 10 and show you what that looks like. All right, so first of all, with one of 10, they do have a free Chrome extension that you can install, and you can manually go into different competitors' channels and see their outlier videos. But with the paid plan, you're able to filter and use their dashboard. And this is related to finding trending topics on YouTube. So we want to make sure that we use the filters correctly. So when we're looking at the dashboard, you're going to want to look at the right-hand corner for filters. And then we're going to see some things here such as the multiplier. So, if a video gets 5 times the usual view count or 10 times, you can change this at any moment. It's just for this video, let's just do 10. And then for the views, we'll keep it at, let's say, 5,000. Subscriber count is fine. The most important thing for trending topics on YouTube is we're going to look at the publication date. Last month, meaning 30 days, that will give us a good indicator that these videos are a great to model. You can even do last 3 months, but just for this example, let's jump into the last month here. We're going to apply changes. Then you're going to click on surprise me. And these are essentially all of the videos that are currently, I guess, trending or becoming video outliers in the past month. Some of them are going to be very weird. Take it with a grain of salt. Some of them are going to be useful. You can also just put in a specific keyword for your niche. So you can put in like business or social media. You can put in AI, but let's just put in business here and see what happens. Here's a great example. We have one for 114 times the regular view count for the real reason no one wants to work anymore. We could probably make a video on the real reason no one wants to make videos anymore, or the real reason why everyone's quitting YouTube. You can make something related to your own topic and use that viral trending idea and turn it into your own ideation. Go ahead and do this over and over again. Find video topics, save it to your spreadsheet or whatever project management system you're using. But this is a great way to find video topics. You can either use their free Chrome extension and manually look at videos, or you can go into their paid plan and look at topics through their own dashboard and UI. So hopefully you can try this out. It's really great when it comes to video ideation, and we'll move on to the next lesson. All right, so number 3 is really simple, but surprisingly, many people don't do this, including myself originally. But this will be using the research tab in your own YouTube analytics. So you can actually find your audience, your demographics, and all of these things related to your audience and what they're watching and how they're searching for you. You can create similar video ideas or find trending topics from YouTube's analytics and just go into your studio from there. So let's just jump into mine. And what we're going to see here is in the research tab, We're going to be able to see what people are searching for based on the top searches in my kind of like where YouTube has placed me in. We can also see like recent videos and how they're performing. For example, and I probably would never want to make a video like this, but we have one that says earn $100 every 30 minutes with Google for free, make money online 2024. Just 1 week ago, he got 50,000 views. Same with this one, it's the same channel. How to earn $145 an hour with ChatGPT, how to build a website fast. I actually like this one. I could probably make a video on how to build a WordPress website using AI, but he got 30,000 views in less than a week. So from this alone, you can find some really unique ideas for your own channel that are currently trending on YouTube in your specific category. So definitely use your own YouTube analytics. Don't forget about it. It's really powerful and YouTube has it here for a reason. They also want us to get more views because that helps everyone and benefits everyone. So try out YouTube analytics and go into your own user information. All right, so next up on our list is going to be using trend spotting platforms like Glimpse or explodingtopics.com. These are very powerful when you know how to use it because you can find product categories, e-commerce products, trending topics, and create videos about that even before it goes mainstream. So if you're the first one to publish it on YouTube, I can guarantee that you will have some kind of results for success because you were the first one to create a topic on this. I've done this many times with credit repair videos. I've done this in the finance niche. I've done this on this very same channel, and it's a great way to leverage data before your competition does. So jumping into Glimpse and Exploding Topics, they do have free tools and they also have paid plans, but let's just use the free tools for finding video topics on YouTube. So we're at Glimpse right now on their homepage. If you scroll to the very bottom, this is just completely free. You'll notice that you can find different categories and different niches. And depending on whatever you want to do or talk about, you just want to go into that. So let's just do baby trends. So once you're here, you're going to be able to see different types of kind of like data, information, some product categories about baby trends. You can click here to see more, but we have, this could be a good topic. Maybe you could write or make a video on co-sleeping bedside cribs. We could talk about nest egg crib, cradle-wise, twin floor bed, toddler floor beds. You can talk about sensory-focused toys and minimalist baby gear, probiotics and gut health. You can also see here from sorting by the highest growth, we can create content on maybe grounding sheets, leapfrog monitors, and then on their paid plan, you can see over 4,000 baby trends. But the cool thing too is that this will also even show you declining information like trend highlights. So this is like declining birth rates means it costs more to raise a child. Maybe you can make a video on that if you're an expert or you have experience in this industry, just because you want to make sure that you know the topic. But you can maybe make a video on, why are birth rates declining and children, why is it costing more to have a child? But all of this here is really powerful just from the free version alone. Next up, we have exploding topics. It actually works very similar. Here you can filter by the dates. Again, since we're using the free version on their website, we can only look at up to 2 years, which is fine. They do have like a 14-day free trial that you can definitely test out. Here we have let's say filter by 2 years. We can do, again, let's do eco niche. And we'll see here that we have different topics. So we have something called Juno, which is a office spaces. Maybe you can make videos or create a product or service around sustainable office spaces. We have Ride Panda. This is specialized in e-bikes and e-scooters. So maybe you can make video content around that. Overall, this is a great way to leverage trend spotting tools and create content on not mainstream, but trending topics for YouTube. All right, first, this next one, we're going to be using TikTok to find trending topics that you could potentially create for YouTube. So I'm going to be using my phone here, and hopefully the screen sharing works. But essentially, if you have the desktop version, you're able to use the filtering. But if you're looking at TikTok through just your regular desktop or Google Chrome, you won't be able to see the filtering section from my understanding. So from here, you're going to go on your phone, you're going to search, and then just do whatever your niche is. I'm going to just, from now, do marketing. You're going to click on search. Then you're going to click on these 3 bullet points here, and you're going to click on filters. From filters, we're going to do posted, let's say within the last 3 months. And I'm going to do sort by like count and apply. From here, I'm going to be able to find video ideas that are getting a lot of likes in the marketing space. I could potentially, model or come up with new topics or ideas. So this is just one way of doing that. You can do this over and over again. You can also change the filtering if you need to. But overall, this is a really, really easy way to kind of think of new trending topics in your niche. So you can also do, let's say, video category unliked. Let's just do relevance again. And yeah, so there's a bunch of different things here. There's going to be some cringy stuff, but at the end of the day, this is just for ideation. All right, another way to find trending topics on YouTube is to just use Google Trends. Google Trends is completely free. And if you hop on here, you'll be able to kind of go through the Explore tab or use their Trending Now feature. It's just completely for free. You can put in any keyword or like a, let's say a area or niche and go from there. If you just want to look at some topics, you can look at the Trending Now section. So these are daily search trends happening right now. In the United States, you can change whatever area that you're in, but this is for Tuesday, April 30th of 2024. We can see that, Kendrick Lamar, Real Madrid, they're getting a ton of search volume right now. Here, we can also look at some related queries. And if you're doing some research, you can also look at the related news section and get more ideation from Real Madrid. Same thing with Kendrick Lamar, Jennifer Aniston, and just kind of go through here and see if there's any topics that you could potentially talk about. So this is just for, day by day. You can also look at the real time search trends and see if there's anything here that you could talk about, like for, cloud computing, all that good stuff. Or you can just go to the Explore section and you're going to want to change the filtering to YouTube search. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in like AI and see if there's any like AI topics I could talk about right now about YouTube. Actually, let me change the filtering to the past 30 days. Now I'm going to go down and I'm going to see if there's any related queries that I could talk about. So there's a tool called Vigil AI. I could talk about Meta AI. So they came out with a new tool. So this might be a good one. AI cat. Maybe I could talk about cats. There's AI music generators. So this is not too bad. This is just like a way to kind of get some free info, see if there's anything I could talk about. Maybe I could even change the category. So if I want to focus on, let's say jobs and education, or maybe I could talk about sports. And let's just do finance and see what happens. Maybe there's like some AI finance tools I could talk about. There's a company or related query called Sheesh, chatbots, Sequila, internet bots, so AI trading bots, AI options trading. So there's a ton of different things you can kind of pick and choose from within Google Trends. And just a quick little bonus, if you are using Glimpse, their paid tool, it's actually built on top of Google Trends. And if you click on this little button, you'll get way more data. It's actually insane because it helps you find all these different unique categories. You can put in any keyword. So let's just do like best pickleball. It's going to help you find like a bunch of transactional intent type of content. Since it's already built on Google Trends, I love this tool. This is a quick little bonus. Here you can see that we have like best pickleball shoes, best pickleball accessories. So you can make video topics on these specific things for YouTube. If you're in the pickleball niche, you could do this with any category. You could do best AI, best coffee, best health, best pickleball. Try everything under the sun and just come up with a bunch of ideas. And you can even download the CSV file for this. So try that out if you're already using Glimpse. But Google Trends is really powerful, even with the free version alone. All right, another cool way to find trending topics that could relate to YouTube would be finding trending topics on X, or also known as Twitter. So you can actually go here, and first of all, there's a few different ways you can do this. Number one, if you're already like in a community or the algorithm already knows you, you might find trending topics from creators that you follow or other people that inspire you. You can see what they're talking about, do some research, learn it, and then also teach it or just talk about it on YouTube. But if not, you can also use the trending tab here on X. You can see on what's happening. These are the trending topics. So we could be maybe making a video on MKBHD, the YouTuber that talked about product reviews. Again, there's Kendrick Lamar again. If you click on show more, you'll be able to find a bunch of different unique trending topics that's related to me, I suppose. So like SEO, make money online, Shopify SEO. There's a bunch of different little things here regarding to that. We can just click on the trending tab and see what else is popping off. So we have push-ups, Kyle Gibson, Pixar Fest, Tyra Banks. So there's a bunch of different topics here. Jennifer Lawrence, celebrities, all that good stuff. So just use X, try to see if there's any ideas that you can kind of think of based on the For You of trending topics, or just look at the trending tab and then kind of ideate from there and come up with topics from X. There's a lot of different ways you can come up with ideas, and all of these other ways that I told you is really, really powerful. And just using that will definitely help you get more views, get more traffic, and potentially just stop getting stuck with the ideation part of your entire YouTube channel. So I did want to add one more bonus tip. I completely forgot about VidIQ. So VidIQ, you can also use their dashboard. They just recently updated it to help you come up with like keywords, top keyword ideas. There's even trending keywords that you can go after with some volume, also this competition, and how much it has changed in regards to the percentage in the search volume. So just looking at this here, you can look at the rising keywords. You can do this week, even just for the day today, and see if there's anything in your niche that you can go after. You can even change the topic here. So depending if you're on podcasting, if you have instrumental music, if you have thrillers, product reviews, sales, marketing, you can change the topic from here and then look at any of the top trending ideas. Another cool thing about VidIQ is you can look at your own top keywords that you could potentially make a video topic on and rank for on YouTube would be the top keyword opportunities. So from here, it's telling me that I can make videos on ChatGPT, YouTube automation, how to make money online, YouTube shorts, AI tools. And this is just another great way to kind of come up with ideas or trending ideas on YouTube using VidIQ. So those are basically all the ways that you can end up using these tools, and also ways you can find video topics on YouTube and hopefully get some views on your content. So if this is really helpful for you, I would even love for you to watch this next video on how to find trending topics completely using AI. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.